How to enable voice to text mode on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to enable and use voice to text dictation on an iPhone for hands-free typing. So let's get started. First of all, you get to open the particular application on which you wish to send the text, and here you can see that I have already enabled the voice feature. But however, if you're not able to see this mic over here, you can get that by clicking on this globe icon over here. You can just long press on it, and once you long press on that, you're going to click on keyboard settings. And after that, you will be redirected to your keyboard settings. So you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option that says Enable Dictation. Now you can see that I've already enabled this option, toggled it on. If you haven't enabled this option, you'll be able to see kind of gray color like this. So you can enable it by toggling it on, and when it becomes green, that means that you have enabled it. Now you can go back to the specific chat, and you can just press on this mic over here and speak anything you want. So I'm going to say something like, Salut, comment ça va? So they will only pick the dictation that you have downloaded on your phone. Like I have enabled the French and English keyboard on my phone. That's why they have picked my French wordings. Now, however, if you wish to send a message in English, you can simply just click on the mic and change the pickup language, English instead of French or any language that you have already selected. So I'm just going to hit it enter, and after that I'm going to try it for English for demonstration purpose. And after that I'm going to click on this mic over here and change it to English, and then I'm going to say like speak anything you want to, say hello, how are you? So you can do it according to your own choice. So that was basically how you can enable voice to text mode on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.